Hi guys, I'm Varun and today I want to talk to you guys about a problem that we all face in our day-to-day life in our kitchens at home or at work. So the thing that I'm talking about is space. All our kitchen utensils take up so much space, and to solve that problem, Meyer Cookware has introduced this amazing new product. It's called Kitchen Hacks. So it's basically a 3-piece casserole set, and the fun thing about this set is that all these casseroles stack one inside the other, saving more than 50% of the space. Now let's check out how do they do it. This set comes with 3 casseroles of 16 cm, 24 cm and 20 cm, which makes it perfect for every kitchen of every size, along with an ingenious space saving solution. All you have to do is stack the casseroles one inside the other, alternating the casseroles and the lids to save more than 50% of the storage space in your kitchen. It also has a unique interlocking handle design that prevents any unwanted scratching inside and out, as the cookware stays above the surface and does not even touch one another. You will also feel hassle-free handling of the glass lids, as they also come with low-profile knobs on the top that allow the lids to be stacked inside the casseroles without any kind of potential damage while storing. The cookware set is made from high-quality nickel-free stainless steel while having an emery finished interior and a mirror polished exterior.